Hello, hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with my October For the Love of Homemade kit share. So this kit kind of got a little out of control. As you can see here, there's a ton of stuff here. So first off, I think I'm going to set the embellishments aside. And I am going to show you the papers first, and then we'll move on to the embellishments. Oh, and I have a traveler's notebook here that doesn't belong there. Okay. So, these are all of the papers that I have in my kit, and I kind of thought long and hard about this kit. My idea was to start with the papers from my last month's kit, which I didn't do a kill a kit video because I think I only did a couple of layouts with that one, and I just wasn't really happy with how little I had used up. So I just decided not to do a kill a kit video for that one. I still think I had like 6 or 7 papers and a ton of the embellishments, and so I just wasn't really happy with that. This month we're going to do much better, right? Okay, so first off, the first paper that we ask for is a ledger. Now, I pulled out 2 different ledger papers. This one goes more with the kind of vintagey and muted colors, but I also wanted to bring in this one just in case I did want to do you know, more of a white theme rather than the vintage kind of grungy look. So I brought in 2 ledger papers. Then we needed a specialty paper or a gold foiled paper, and I know it's in here. Here it is. Okay, so the one that I actually pulled out to use in my kit is this one. This is from Willow. I'm not sure what the name of the paper is because I just have the paper pad, and so it just has kind of like that rose gold foil prettiness going on here, if you can see that. And it just has a bunch of words: time out, get away, dream, let go, rest, easy, be kind, joy, be still, drift, replenish, slow down, refresh, simple pleasures, I think is what it says. So it's just a bunch of different words. Yeah, and I thought the pink color was really pretty. So I think what I'll do is I will kind of just put these off to the side, and then I'll show you all of them at the end. Next paper, we needed a bold pattern. So I pulled out this gorgeous, gorgeous floral. This side is also kind of a bold pattern, but I really picked it for this side. I really loved like the pinkish kind of red, and then the pink and the yellow. Then we needed a mixed media background or a pre-made background. So if you have like a Vicky Bouton paper pad that is like her pre-made backgrounds, you could use that, or you could use one that you have in your stash that you created and never ended up using, which is what this one is. I made this one and then just never ended up using it, so I thought the colors totally went along with the other colors in this kit, so I am going to bring this in. Then we called for a gingham, and I actually have 2 ginghams. I have this black and kind of dark off-white color, and then also this white and yellow. And this one also came from the Willow collection pad that I have. Okay, This one I kind of was also counting as a bold pattern. I really love the off-white with the navy blue. This one, no, it doesn't really go with the kit, so I definitely pulled it for this side. Then I really also liked the kind of funky design of this chevron along with the yellow. I really, really liked the yellow. I also wanted to make sure I had some solid cardstock pieces because you know me, I love cardstock backgrounds and solid colored backgrounds. This one was, I just brought it in because it went well with the color scheme. And that's what the back looks like, but I definitely picked it for this side. This one, it was just a gorgeous teal blue, medium blue color, and I really liked that. This paper was actually in last month's kit along with this teal cardstock paper. Both of those were in my September kit, so I thought I would just bring them over. This is another bold pattern, which I really, really love that design. Then I brought in a couple more specialty papers. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use them, but I thought I would just kind of leave them out as a choice. I wasn't really sure if I liked this glitter paper because of the rose gold. Let's see if I can find it. It kind of clashed with it. And so I wasn't really sure that I wanted it to be a part of the kit, but I decided I'll just kind of have it available just so that if I decide it does go, or, you know, maybe I want to put it with a different piece of paper, then that would be fine. And then this piece of paper is from Alexandra Rinke, and it was just so pretty. I just thought it was so pretty. Thought it fit right in with the florals and just the prettiness of this kit. And then this was another specialty paper. This is from Twilight, and it's watercolor resist paper. I didn't even realize it was watercolor resist paper. I just thought it was like a gold pattern design or foil design. So I didn't even realize that. So that might be kind of fun to add into the kit here. Okay, so I have all of the colors that were in the kit, and I'm going to put this one, I think I'm going to put this one back here. Okay, I like to kind of fan everything out so you guys can kind of see all of it together. So you have the red, the blue, the yellow, and then the kind of silvery grayish color. Let's see. These aren't really organized that well, but you get the gist. You get it, don't ya? Okay. So those are all of my papers for this month's kit. I think every layout that I make this month, I'm going to try to pull from this kit and try to, there we go, that looks better. Just try to see what I can create with this one kit. I think that will be a lot of fun. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the papers. Okay, that's a lot of papers. I don't even know how many that is. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 pieces of paper, which is not a bad number for a kit. Then next we are going to talk about alphas. So we called for one colored alpha and then a thicker that you haven't used in a very long time or that you've never used. And so I just kind of brought in these tile letter stickers. just as kind of like a, maybe I'll use those. I also brought on these black ones, kind of the same thing. Maybe I'll use those. Okay, so these are the alpha stickers that I've never used before. I believe I got these at the Target dollar spot, probably like 5 or 6 years ago. Let's see if it has a date on here. It doesn't. I imagine it was probably 2015 when I got these. So yeah, like 15 years ago. And it was probably Christmas time because that looks like a holly berry. So I thought those would go good with this kit. Then I also brought in this colored alpha, the navy blue color, which I thought was really pretty. And then these, I have used these recently, but these are types of an alpha that I probably would just put in my stash and never use. Like this was made in, it doesn't have a date on it either. Don't you hate it when they don't have dates? These are old though. I feel like they are old. It's by Love Plus Lemon Craft Company. And I think these I probably got at like the Target or Target dollar spot or something like a long time ago. So I kind of have a theme here, this tan color, but then the blue. And I'm not opposed to bringing out a colored alpha if I really want to. I totally would do that from my stash if I wanted to. So those are the alphas that I'm going to use. Then, oh, texture paste and stencils. So I actually didn't pull out a texture paste, but I did recently, this foils 24 karat was actually in last month's kit. I think I'm going to bring that over as one of my pastes. And then, let's see, I think I might also bring in this Leafy Greens Dazzlers. I think, yeah, I've never used this one and it's been in my stash for a while. So I think we'll have those two as my texture pastes. And then I haven't decided on what kind of stencil, so I'll probably just pull stencils from my stash when I am actually sitting down to do a layout. Okay, then next I have the stickers from the Willow collection from One Canoe 2. I just thought they were really nice and whimsical, and I really liked them. Then I pulled out a couple different dimensional, what are these things called? Embellishments. So we called for 3D embellishments. That was one of them. So I have a bunch here. This one broke, but this is a, I don't even remember where I got this. It says I want to remember. And then I have a bunch of chipboard pieces, a little rubber charm shape, and just a bunch of little 3D embellishment things. I also brought in some Starwood veneer and some cork, these cute little bows that have been in my stash forever, this cork piece that says you and me, and then just a couple other fun things, wood pieces and acrylic pieces and stuff like that. Okay, so those are the 3D embellishments. Then I also decided to bring in, so we also called for some teal elements, which you can kind of see, these are more minty, but then I'm going to bring in, let's see, so that's not really teal, but that's a sticker sheet, and here's some more stickers, more stickers. Here's kind of like a little teal right there, a frame, another, just couple, like I went to mint. I didn't really do teal very well. I did a lot of mint though. And and pink. But here's some teal right there. I love you. And then here's just some more little embellishment pieces and clusters and things that I thought would go well with the kit. And then here is where I bring in the teal. So this is kind of a teal color. I believe this is glitter tape from Close to My Heart, and it is called teal, so that's a good color. And then I also got these enamel dots that are from Close to My Heart as well, and they are 3 different shades of teal. I brought in some twine because that is another embellishment that we called for, so I brought in gold. I also had this old studio calico. This is crepe paper, and so I thought that would be kind of fun to bring that in. Here's some teal sequins, and then some leaves, gold sequins, and then just a few dimensional stickers that apparently ended up in that one. Then in this little box, I brought in some tags that had some teal coloring on them. And then this little mint doily, this teal tag, and this cute little bag there. Then some doilies, some other doilies, this cute little tissue paper, some cork confetti stars and chevrons. Then here's some more twine, and then more sequins and teal colored enamel dots and things. So I have a lot going on in this kit. It's kind of crazy how much I have going on, but you know, that's why we do this, is just to have fun and enjoy making kits from our old things. And a lot of these things are really old. So I'm super excited about this kit. I really hope that you will stay tuned and watch and see all of the layouts that I create using it. It'll be really fun using up this kit this month. And yeah, make sure you check out the other ladies. I will have a link below to our playlist and also to Hannah's channel as well, so you can see her kit share. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye!